Hey everyone, it's Akos here from iTechFlow. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking a quick look of the Tongate cases for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I have three color options here: black, purple and red. And I'll be showing them with my white S26 Ultra so you can see how they actually looks on the device. These cases focus on strong protection, MagSafe compatibility and a pretty interesting camera cover kickstand design. So let's take a closer look. Starting with the design, the case uses a combination of polycarbonate and the back with the TPU shock-absorbing frame, which gives the phone a really solid feel while still keeping the case relatively slim. Here you can see the three colors I have: the black version, which looks very clean and minimal, the purple, which adds a bit more style, and the red, which is definitely the most eye-catching option. When paired with the white S26 Ultra, the contrast actually looks really nice, especially with the red and the purple variants. Protection. Protection is clearly one of the main focuses of this case. Tongate claims 360-degree military-style drop protection, thanks to the rigid PC back and the shock-absorbing TPU frame. You also get reinforced corners, which helps disperse the impact of the phone drops. The case also has raised edges around both the screen and the camera module, which adds extra protection when placing the phone on a desk or flat surface. And one of the most useful features here is the built-in ring holder on the back. This works in two ways. First, it acts as a ring stand, which makes it easier to hold the phone securely in your hand, but it also doubles as a kickstand. So you can prop the phone up for watching videos or taking video calls. Another nice bonus is that the case is MagSafe compatible, so it can attach to magnetic chargers, car mounts, wallets and battery packs without any issues. And it still supports wireless charging, which is great. Another unique feature is the camera lens protector cover. This sliding cover protects the camera lenses from scratches and also adds an extra level of privacy when the camera isn't in use. What's interesting is that the camera cover can also act as a kickstand, which you can adjust anywhere between 0 and 180 degrees. So you actually get two different stand options with this case. Tongate also claims the hinge is rated up to 10,000 folds, so it should hold up well over time. And finally, the grip. The edges have a textured rubber design, which helps prevent the phone from slipping out of your hand. The case is also precisely designed for the S26 Ultra, so all the cutouts for the ports, buttons and camera are perfectly aligned. And even with the protection, the case still stays relatively slim, so it slides easily into your pocket. So overall, the Tongate S26 Ultra case with MagSafe offers a nice combination of protection, functionality and practical features like MagSafe compatibility, the ring stand and the adjustable camera cover kickstand. So if you're looking for a case that adds extra protection and some useful stand features, this could definitely be worth checking out. I leave the links in the comments below guys for you. And thank you Tongate to sending me these products over and sponsoring today's video. It was Akos from iTechFlow, it was a case from Tongate and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.